In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit Yoast Sitemap to Google Search Console. We're going to do this directly from your WordPress site and then finish the process inside Google Search Console. This is an important step because your sitemap helps Google understand the structure of your website and discover your pages more efficiently. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in the admin area, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Yoast SEO. This is where Yoast keeps the main search engine optimization settings for your website. After that, click on Settings. This will take you into the area where you can manage Yoast features and technical SEO options. From there, select Site Features. This section includes several tools that affect how search engines interact with your site. Now scroll down until you reach the technical SEO area. In this section, you'll find the XML sitemap option. The XML sitemap is the file that lists your important website content in a format search engines can read. Next, click on View the XML sitemap. This opens your sitemap in a new tab or window so you can confirm that it's active and working properly. Once the sitemap page loads, copy the URL from the address bar. This is the sitemap location generated by Yoast. With that done, go to Google Search Console. Make sure you're in the correct property for your website before continuing. This matters because the sitemap needs to be submitted to the exact site you want Google to index. Inside Search Console, click on Sitemaps in the left-hand menu. You'll see a section labeled Add a new sitemap. In that field, enter sitemap index.xml. Even if you copied the full URL earlier, this field typically only needs the sitemap path at the end of your domain. Yoast usually uses sitemap.index.xml as the main sitemap index, which then points Google to your post, page, and category sitemaps. Now click Submit. Once submitted, Google Search Console will begin processing the sitemap. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a confirmation and the sitemap will appear in your submitted list. That's it. Your Yoast sitemap has now been submitted to Google Search Console. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to check back later to make sure the sitemap status is successful and that Google is reading it without errors. This helps you confirm that your site content is being made available for crawling and indexing properly.